What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Impact or impact.com to your PayPal account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your impact.com account, you will be on your dashboard or your homepage right here. So from here, to access your payment information, you would just need to go in the upper right corner and click on your balance right here. From here, just go ahead and click on the first option that again says balance. Now, once the balance page loads up, just go ahead and click bank account settings. And this is the page that we're looking for. So in the last video, we connected our PayPal account as a withdrawal method for our impact.com account. So if you guys didn't already connect your PayPal account, you can watch the video in the upper right corner that will guide you through the process. And I will also link that video at the end of this video. So once you have your PayPal account connected, you would need to take a look at the autopay options. So these are the withdrawal options that you can manage and set your withdrawal dates and methods. So I have it currently set that I want to receive a payment from Impact on a fixed day of the month. So for this option, they offer you the 1st of the month or the 15th day of the month. And this payment will be processed once my account balance reaches at least $10 or euros. Now the second option that you have is pay me with my balance reaches the threshold, and you can select the threshold right here. So the lowest one is 15 Australian dollars, which depends on your currency. So if you have euros or dollars, this will be 10. Now that's the lowest one, but you can choose anything upwards to 9,000. But in my opinion, I will stick with pay me on a fixed day of the month once the balance reaches 15 Australian dollars. So once you configure that setting, you can just click save and your withdrawal settings will be saved and you will receive your money depending on which option you selected. And that's guys how you can withdraw money from Impact to your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to know how to connect your PayPal account to your Impact account, you can watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.